Washoe County School District students who are ready to graduate have faced and overcome many obstacles this year. They have shown remarkable determination and perseverance.
I came to the school in 2018, terrified because no one else in my family has ever gone to college. So it was hard for me to kind of make that transition. And it's just really been learning how to study and learning that even when you get there and you still fail, learning how to move on from that failure and learning how to take it in your stride and get better the next time. For the last 3 years, I've been running the TMCC High School focused fundraiser for Northern Nevada Children's Cancer Foundation. I'm gonna be at Johns Hopkins in the fall, the class of 2025, which is super duper exciting. I can start my research path and hopefully do some more research into childhood cancer once I'm of that level. Ideally, I'd like to be a doctor at a nonprofit. The best part was that the teachers were always there to support me, always there to give me the feedback that I really needed to hear, that I understood that failing wasn't a bad thing anymore, that failing was something that meant that I was growing and that I was learning to do new things and that I was actually being challenged. And it's been a really great experience. It's been a bumpy road, but we got here, so.
We congratulate each of our graduating seniors in the class of 2021 as we guide every child by name and face to graduation.